Hi there, welcome back to another video. My name is Monica of Milly and Monica, and I'm a full-time clothing reseller on both Poshmark and eBay. Today I have another ThredUP unboxing. This is the shoe rescue box, and this is actually a bit smaller shoe box than normal. Normally they're 25 pairs, but this one's actually smaller. So if you're interested in reseller related content, selling clothing online, and of course making money online, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and of course give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps me out here on YouTube. So these ThredUP boxes, they have definitely been kind of a blessing, I guess. I don't know if that's the right word. They've definitely been keeping my business afloat during this strange, weird time. However, I recently did a huge clothing buyout. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go back and watch it. And I haven't been ordering as many ThredUP boxes. The two that I have left, this one and another, which I'll be filming shortly, were ordered prior to that buyout. So I definitely haven't purchased any more ThredUP boxes because I am processing so many other clothing items. However, this box it's just kind of been sitting in my entryway teasing me, and I could not wait any longer. And to be honest, I'm kind of sick of processing clothing, and I want to process some shoes. If you've been here for a while, you know I love selling shoes on Poshmark. They are so easy to just photograph and list, and I just love shoes. And they're really good sellers for me, so I guess that's also a plus. Anyway, this box is a little unique because I did get an email stating right after, like maybe a week after I purchased it, that they kind of had sold too many, and therefore they were going to take quite a while to ship, around a month, which this did take a while to get to me. Anyways, I was fine with that, obviously. And this one is from Georgia, and I have received boxes from Georgia before. I've always been pretty happy with my shoe boxes. I really can't complain. So let's dive into this. I'm hoping that my packing slip is at the top because that will be helpful. I don't remember how many shoes are supposed to be in here, actually. I know it's less than 25. So, paper. Unfortunately, the packing slip is usually at the bottom, which it's not here at the top, so it's either 15 or 18 pairs of shoes. We'll figure it out. Okay, definitely happy about these. Converse are definitely some of my favorites. Hopefully they're not my size because these are too cute. The color is fantastic. I will definitely be trying these on. If you are interested at all in working out, like lifting weights, that type of thing, I actually really enjoy lifting in Converse because it's a perfectly flat sole. My husband is a power lifter. He solely lifts in Converse. So these are super cool. I might have to keep these just for lifting. Okay, so let's see. Here's a pair of Crocs. I also like selling Crocs, and these clean up super easy. These do need a little bit of cleaning. Let's see. They are a size 7. Great little garden shoe, like dog walking shoe. I love the little heel on them. Those are adorable. Another of those seafoam, like greeny color. New Directions, so beaded kind of sandal here, adjustable ankle strap. These are adorable. These will clean up really easily too. Just take a little wipe to them. Okay, here's a pair of Born sandals. This is a pretty small box, so I'm guessing that there's a lot of flats and sandals in here, which is great. So these look pretty good. First glance, they look good. I'm not seeing really any flaws. That's the other thing with these unboxings, because I go through them pretty quickly. Sometimes I miss flaws and then find them later. These are just Forever 21 sandals, and I'm not seeing the size right away because the sticker on the bottom, like the size sticker, is like kind of worn away, which is fine. So I'll just measure toe to heel for these, but they're cute. I mean, they're not gonna sell for much, but overall decent condition and trendy little pair. Oh wow. Oh, this is good. So Ferragamo, these are adorable. I mean, they do have some like sole wear, but overall, like this one anyway is pretty good, and they'll clean up nicely with some Wonder Balm, and yeah, those are cute. I love those. Okay, here's the mate. Okay, just a nice little heel, classic style. They are size 8. This one's got a little bit more scuffing here, but that will clean up nicely. I think they're navy, which I think I have some navy shoe polish, so I'll probably polish those marks up. And like I said, this one actually has more wear than the other one. There's more wear here, but I think these will still, you know, get me a decent return. Okay, so far so good. Wow, okay. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And to be honest, I threw this box down my stairs. Like, I just like rolled it down the stairs. There's like a half set of stairs, but still. Whoops. Definitely shouldn't have done that. These are adorable. They do have a flaw, but I think I can fix it. So here at the ankle strap, okay, they're Jeffrey Campbell. I don't think I said that at all. They're Jeffrey Campbell. This little like elastic piece here at the ankle strap is like basically come off. I don't know. Anywho, I think I can fix that with a couple of stitches and just stitch that back together, but that's obviously why they could not sell these. They're gorgeous. Size 10. They don't look like they have any wear. They don't look like they have really anywhere. I do need to find the mate because hopefully this one's just the issue. Let's see here. Where's the mate? Where's the mate? I'm not seeing it right away. Hopefully the mate's in there. Okay. I've seen this brand before. I don't remember where it's sold. I think it's Gilly. I'll have to look it up later. But they're a really nice leather, like suede leather heel. Strappy. Ooh, these are adorable. Okay, these look really nice. So I'm guessing that they will sell for a little bit. They are size 6.5. And they have kind of that python snakeskin detail there at the toe. Really nice condition overall. What I think the issue with these are, and this happens sometimes, is this inner piece is kind of lifted. So you can see right here it's lifted, and that's not really a big deal. I mean, it's not like coming off. So it's just a little lifted. I might have some glue that I can, like, I forget the name of this glue, but I have this glue that's especially for fabrics that might work for those, but honestly I might just list as is because it is attached, and otherwise there's a scuff here, but those are nice. Okay, these are Echo heels, pretty basic. Probably, you know, they're not really in season, but these will definitely sell at some point for a little bit. Comfort little booty. Okay, I really want to find the mate, the other one. So Zara, these are adorable. Look at that clear little heel. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so these are just a little like mule slide, open toe, suede upper, and they're size 39. Love that. Good condition. Okay, here's the mate to our Jeffrey Campbell. So this one appears to be in good condition. The elastic at the strap here is fine, so it looks like it was just the elastic on the other one that I'll need to fix. Not a problem. Super happy. Okay, so we got some Vince Camuto. These heels are great. This is a fun color. Really good condition. Overall, I'm not seeing any major flaws. 7.5. Great style. Okay, these are adorable. They're DV, Dulce Vita, not the Target one, actual Dulce Vita. So these are cute. These are super adorable. Love that. They remind me of kind of the Sorel booty that's in the similar style. So like that covered wedge heel. They do have some scuffs like right there, but it's not terrible. There's like a little mark there, but overall, good. This brand, I always have a hard time finding the size. Like it's always kind of hidden in a weird spot. So I'll have to dig a little deeper. Here's the other Zara, the mate to that Zara one. Again, it looks overall pretty good from first glance. Love that heel. These will be so nice to list. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to list some shoes. I'm so sick of listing clothes. And There's maybe a size here on the bottom. I think they're 7.5. So I'll definitely try them on. I'm typically a size 7 and see how they fit. Okay, here is Yellow Box. Don't think I've ever heard of it, but they are a cute little wedge sandal. So kind of this metallic-y woven buckle, all those keywords here. Not seeing a size though, because there's really not a spot for size to be, which is fine, and it's expected with these boxes. So measure toe to heel. Okay, here we got, oh, this is a good box. Stuart Wiseman, size 6, strappy, black, classic. Trying to see if there's any flaws. I mean, there's a couple scuffs on the leather, but nothing major. Like the toe is in really good condition. But let's see the mate. Okay, that toe's in pretty good condition. There's just some, like, I guess the bottoms, honestly, the bottoms kind of have a lot of wear. I shouldn't say a lot. They have a decent amount of wear, but those toes are still in good condition, so that's good. I mean, there's kind of a little bit of wear inner here, but overall, there's not very much scuffing on these, so there is some, like, kind of marks in here. I think those will still sell well. Okay, these are just a memory foam. I think they're Dr. Scholl's. It's kind of worn there, but the Dr. Scholl's flat, comfort flat. Those are fine. Okay, let's find some more of our mates here. Okay, here's the mate to that Yellow Box. I feel like I should know that. I feel like I've heard of Yellow Box, but these are fine. They're definitely just a little, you know, maybe sell for 15 bucks, which is totally fine out of this box. Here's that other croc. I do like these. They're kind of cute. Okay, and lastly, ooh, this is a really good box, you guys. Although there's less shoes in this box, what the heck? They did not put my packing slip in. This has happened a few times where they don't put my packing slip in, which really annoys me. I know I can print it on, or I can print like some sort of receipt online, but it annoys me because I like having that packing slip as like a receipt, and I'll just have to go in and print something and keep that for taxes, but that just annoys me. And I know I obviously have my my statement as well as proof, but I like having that little piece of paper. And why it's not in here, this is the second box I think where they've not put it in. So anyway, these are LL Bean, super cute. LL Bean duck boots like this can go for a decent amount. So this is awesome. And what I love about duck boots too is that they can be worn in so many different seasons. Rainy season, it's definitely raining a lot here where I am at, so I know I pulled out my rain boots recently. These are awesome, but they can also be kind of worn in the winter too. So they're a size 9 medium in case you're interested. Out of all the shoes, I'm trying to look, these might and the Jeffrey Campbell are probably my highest or best shoes out of the box. I really am excited about those Converse. I think sometimes I wear a 6.5 in the Converse, but I might just try to make those Converse work for me because they're fantastic. Anyway, okay, so overview of this box. I'm super happy. For some reason, I'm thinking it's 15 pairs of shoes. I'll put it on the screen. I know it was less than a regular box. I really don't know when they'll have more shoe boxes available. I get asked all the time about when they're going to be available, who gets first dibs, and that's not really how it works. You know, they come up on the site. If you're checking the site and you know, are fast enough to purchase one, that's how you get one. Personally, you know, sometimes on Instagram or here on my YouTube channel, people will comment letting me know that they're available. But for the most part, I miss out on a lot of these boxes often because I'm not checking as much. And right now I'm not really interested in buying any more boxes because I have so much that I'm working through. Thrift stores are starting to reopen. And so I feel like this is probably going to be one of my last boxes for a while. Like I said, I do have one more. I think it's a women's clothing box that I need to unbox, but I'm going to hold off for a little bit because I'm in no need of women's clothing at the moment. So But this was fun. These are great shoes. I'm excited to get these up and listed. I hope you enjoyed this short little video and seeing what I was able to get from ThredUP in a shoebox. Again, the shoes are definitely my favorite to buy and sell from these ThredUP boxes. So if you recently got a box from ThredUP, let me know how it was down below. Also, let me know if your thrifts are opening back up. If you found some great stuff, I'd love to hear about it. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.